feeling right. I need a little bit of that Sprite. You know I'm finna go all night. Yeah, you know. Try to get gold off of my high. Yeah, try to get gold off of my bed. Try to give me gold off of that red. Try to give me gold off my eye. I'm whipping up my eyes. Give me at my house. I'm so ready, I'm so in a benzo, jamming pop smoke. Gotta spend this.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this cute ass wig from Hermosa hair. I am so in love with the way that it came out. It was super quick and easy to do. All I had to do was pluck this unit. I also bleached the knots on this unit, but once I got all of that done, like, this literally was the easiest wig to install, and I really enjoyed doing it. I feel like it's so freaking cute. I'm gonna let y'all get into it, but before we can get into this video, I'm gonna need you guys to thumbs this video up and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe then you can be lit too, and that's on what? Just on period. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and hop right into this video. But all the links in this hair will be listed in my description box as well as the coupon code. So yeah, but let's go ahead and get into it. This install should be very easy and very quick. This hair, as y'all can see, is so freaking pretty. It's like this blonde and brown like mixed in. I really love when I do this color, but I really like how this hair is like flowy. It doesn't feel super thick, and I like thick hair, but curly thick hair gets super duper hot. So I like when my curly hair is flowy and it's like not too much hair on my head, and this is literally perfect. It feels so good, like, to the touch. And yeah, but let's just go ahead and get right into this install. I already did my wig cap method. All I have to do now is put makeup on the inside of this lace, and let me see if I need to put some on my cap. Yeah, I put a little bit of makeup on my cap as well. All right, so I'm just gonna be using a powder, and I'm just gonna put this all over my wig cap and the inside of this lace.
Off in my bed, try to get off with that head, try to get off with that bread, try to get off in my bed, try to get off of that red, try to get off with that head, try to get off with that bread, try to get off of that, try to get off of that head, stay for the night, just what I said, you know what I like, straight to my bed, try to get loose, go on and get it, let it all out, show me you with it, only in my mouth, keeping it litty, keeping it litty, try to get.
All right, now that I have makeup on the lace and on my wig cap, I'm just gonna flip this back, and then I'm gonna clean my skin with some 91% alcohol before we start gluing down this unit. And yeah.
I'm so ready, I'm so in a benzo, jamming pop smoke. Gotta spend this bitch for me like a poncho. I'm with a rich hoe, with a hippo. I done had a good day.
Want to make sure that your skin is all the way dry before starting to apply the glue. And today I'm going to be using Ghost Bond as always, and I'm going to do about 2 or 3 layers of this, and then I'm going to lay it flat with a popsicle stick, make sure I don't have any clumps, and then I'm also going to let this glue dry completely clear before I place the lace down. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. I just like to start off with a little bit at a time.
Try to get off in my bed, try to get off with that head, try to get off with that bread, try to get off in my bed, try to get off of that red, try to get off with that head, try to get off with that bread, try to get off of that, try to get off of that head, stay for the night, just what I said, you know what I like, straight to my bed, try to get loose, go on and get it, let it all out, show me you with it, only in my mouth, keeping it litty, keeping it litty, try to get gold in my heart, try to get gold off of my bed, try to give me gold off of that red, try to give me gold off my eye, I'm whipping up my eyes, give me at my house, I'm so ready, I'm so in a benzo, jamming pop smoke, gotta spend this bitch for me like a poncho, I'm with a rich hoe, with a hippo.
All right, so now that the glue is clear, I'm just gonna flip my unit back down, and it should be still in the same spot, hopefully. Let's see. Yep, I'm gonna pull it. Okay, and then you just wanna tug on your sides just a little bit, but not too much where it's like pulling. and just make sure that they're in the right spot. About to tie all the hair out of my face. All right, and then now what I'm gonna do is clip some of this excess lace off so I can see. And then over here where this is like lifting up just a little bit, I'm gonna apply just a little bit more glue in that area. And I'm just gonna smooth it out.
I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump.
I'm just gonna smooth that in. I'm gonna go all around the hairline and just make sure that the lace is touching the glue with the comb. And I'm gonna use my Hermosa hair elastic band, and I'm gonna tie it down. I'm gonna use some Eben Wonder Lace adhesive spray, and I'm gonna tie it down with my band. Okay. I'm gonna tie this pretty tight, and I'm gonna let this like basically melt the lace. And while this is, ooh, I caught some of my neck hairs. Okay, but while this is melting, I'm just gonna go through and flatten out the top of this wig and make sure that my part is straight. And then by the time I'm finished with that, this should be done drying. So yeah.
Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
All right, so I'm also going to wet this hair down. Well, I'm not gonna wet it. I'm just gonna apply some Lotta Body foam onto the hair, and this is just gonna define the curls, and it's gonna keep them tamed and cute. This look is cute, but I'm going for like a wet look, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna take a lot of foam, and I'm just gonna put it all over this hair.
She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger.
Okay, so I'm gonna fix my part with just a little bit of this brown spray. I really don't even know if this color is gonna match this hair because it's my first time using it, but I'm about to see. Because I only have like dark browns, and so I went to the store and got just brown, so I hope it comes out right. So I'm just gonna put my comb like in the middle of my part, and then I'm just gonna spray. What? It's literally brown. Oh my god, it matched perfect. What? That is crazy. What? And I like to do this part before I take off this band because you don't want to get that spray on the lace. So I think this should be dry, and if it's not all the way dry, I'm gonna take the band off and see. But if it's not, I'm gonna just go over the lace with my blow dryer right quick until it's like completely dry, because it really hasn't been that long since I put it on here. Let's see. It feels dry to me. So let's go ahead and cut this lace. This hairline looks so good. Let me zoom in for y'all. Do y'all see this lace? What? Do y'all see that? Period. Don't play with her. But I'm about to cut this lace with some scissors. What's on my face? Is this brown spray? I don't know what that was, but just go ahead and start cutting this lace up.
I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me up.
So this is how we looking so far. I'm about to do some curly baby hairs. I'm gonna try to make them a little extra. Not too extra, but I just want them to look curly with the hair, if that makes sense. So I'm about to just go through. Hopefully y'all can watch and learn, because I don't really know how to explain what I be doing. But I'm gonna be using some foam to lay them, and y'all just see. Y'all will see how I do it. So hopefully y'all can just catch on.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt, yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side just like I did this one, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and I'm done with my baby hairs. I think they are literally the freaking cutest ever. So I'm trying to decide, because y'all, it's late. Like I know it's like almost 2 a.m. at this point, if not already 2 a.m. So I'm trying to decide whether or not I can put on some makeup and go ahead and finish out this video, or if I want to do it tomorrow. My hair looks really freaking cute. Like I love this. Like it just makes me want to just tuck my hair behind my ear and just like, you know, I love curly wigs. So quick and so freaking easy. But I might as well put some makeup on, fucking right. Why not? So I'll be back when I do my face. Okay. All right, so y'all, this is the finished look. I think my hair looks so freaking cute, and this wig was so easy to install. Like almost too easy to install. And do y'all see my edges? I just look good. Like I'm really feeling myself. It is 1:42 in the morning. I'm not going nowhere, but I wish that I was. because this look is just giving. But this hair is from Hermosa Hair. So once again, thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to purchase this unit, I will have all the links in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I had a good day in the 6-4. Got building up. Oh, I got it going up.